Google is one of the largest companies in the world, especially when it comes to search engines, and each day millions of people search the internet using Google search engine. On the other hand, were you aware that it was a straightforward Google hack that might help you make a significant amount of money from home without you doing the actual work? All you need is a device capable of connecting to the internet, such as a phone or a laptop. You could make up to $1,500 every single day, or even more, depending on how much work you put in. Let's find out more. But before that, be sure to subscribe to Roladel Business channel for more amazing videos like this one. And if you want to make money online by watching YouTube videos like this one you're watching now, check the first link in the description below. Let's get started. Google News, or you could just go to the website directly by searching news.google.com if that's what you want. After you open, this link will bring you to the appropriate page as you see. But remember that if you want to get paid by Google, you need to pay great attention to the various requirements that they have so you don't have to mess up everything. The left side of the page contains different news categories, and the most talked about issues are something related to business, technology, entertainment, and many more. That's what a lot of people are interested in finding out more about. So, when you select one of those links, you will be taken to a page that contains the most recent articles related to that subject area, and all you have to do is to choose an article that captures your attention from the numerous that are shown here. They all appear to be written in a very professional manner. After making your selection, all you need to do is click on the link provided directed to the official article that contains all of the most recent news regarding the subject that we selected. Now, the magic moment has finally arrived. Utilizing Google News and the professional writings of others is a fantastic way to stay up to date to earn any relevant news. It's time to know how to make money. Just copy these phrases or the entire text and paste them into your document. Please note you need to go to the spinbots.com. This spinbots.com is a free text rewriting tool, and by looking at the page, it will rewrite the content for you, and all you need to do in order to use it is copy and paste the paragraph that we discussed earlier. It is possible to rewrite articles and make them more engaging and utilizing the power of Google and technology. Adopting this tactic can result in a massive amount of financial gain. Now, you need to go and to 3 separate websites. In order to finish the first of the challenge, it is possible to increase one's income by increasing one's website visit. Test Broker is the first website that we discussed. Go to Test Broker, and after arriving at the home page like this, select a write material from the menu here and log it up. After that, click Continue. Select payment from the menu, and they will demonstrate to you how much money you have the potential to make, and you'll be paid right away. Yeah, everything is determined by the quality of the content you provide. You're going to be awarded star and ratings, and different ratings correspond to different amounts of money that will be paid to you on a per word basis for your work on this website. Again, you're not required to compose any of your article, nor do you need any prior expertise or talent in writing. In order to do this, all you need to do is to go to Google News and search for articles written by other people. Then spinbot.com will completely rewrite the article, and the most exciting part is that you can watch it happen. Can you make money simply by using Google as their search engine? Yes, you can do this, and anyone can do this, and it will be significantly easier for you if you use a highly quality version of Google. You will receive rating ranging from 4 to 5 stars. Simply put, it's one of the easiest way for newcomers to understand what we've seen in the recent times, and you can use it. You can match many articles into a single word to improve the total numbers of words as well as the amount earned per each. The following is a list of compelling arguments in favor of registering with a test broker right away. It doesn't cost anything to sign up. Registration process. The only thing you need to do is to navigate to a test broker and click on the I write content here. Once you click on it, the test broker will allow you to sign up as either a client who places orders for authors to write, or a writer who writes content, or even both. Since you want to write the content and make money, you have to make sure you click on the link saying you write content for free. Click on the blue button that says free auto registration. Here is where you will have to read all the website rules and the test broker privacy policy and terms of condition before inputting your name, email address, and other necessary sign-up information. After that, select your areas of expertise. These are basically the topics that you want to write about and the ones that you feel like you are most competent in. You can select as many news area of expertise as you like, but only select ones that you actually have some knowledge of, since that indicates to the client that you're willing to write on these topics. Don't stress about areas of expertise because you can change this later. And just because you don't have a category selected does not mean that you won't be able to write about it. After you've accumulated $10 in earnings, you'll be able to initiate the process of withdrawing money immediately into your account. The last website is iWrite. This is one of the professional article writing sites that brings clients and authors together on a single platform without each party being able to contact the other. Within the system, there are a large number of opportunities for work, and these opportunities vary according to the levels of the writer, as well as the quality of the work that is created and then presented to clients for approval. Here is how to sign up or register with iWriter. Visit the website by going to iwriter.com and click on the sign up or register link. Fill in your first and last name, email address, username, and password. Sign up and confirm the process from a link sent to your mail. Log into your account and on the home page, click on the edit profile link. Upload your photo and write a short bio and select your best topics to get alert. Enter a valid PayPal email address and other details that are optional, such as boss address and payout. Watch a simple video tutorial on how to use a writer. This video tutorial is provided by the operators of the platforms and you get started with matches. You may be tempted to start without watching the tutorial, but I will advise you to go through it in order to know how to use writing quickly and enjoy an easy time on the site. The thing that makes the website stand out from others is that as soon as you sign up for an account, you can begin applying for jobs and getting paid when they have been approved by the customers. The customers will look over the content and verify that it complies with any rules or guidelines that were presented to them earlier. After that approval or reject the particular items that were forwarded. Here is a step-by-step guide to making money with an iWriter. The first step is to look through the topics that customers have posted about themselves. The iWriter platform picks one opportunity at a time with which you're most at ease and try not to get worked up about the other possibilities. Take things one step at a time. Second, there's a possibility that the subject matter that has been chosen for discussion is one with which you are not very familiar. Therefore, you should conduct a search on Google and familiarize yourself with publications that are associated with this topic. As soon as you have a comprehension of the specific issue of interest, you should compose an article that is brand new and better with regards to the topic. Remember to pay close attention to the required word count and summarize completely. Last but not least, provide the customer with a brand new one, completely unique and very well written content. After the customer has given their stamp of approval to the work, you'll be paid to the same. That's it for today. What do you think of the video? Let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and hit that subscribe button to subscribe to Roladel Business before you go. Thanks for watching and bye for now.